I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to do.
All right. So this is what we're dealing with, guys. Like, this is so crazy to me. Like, today is Monday, and this happened on Friday night. I go to my sister's house to watch the kids, then I leave. As I'm driving back home, that same thing just comes on, right? And I'm just like, what the hell? The next day I do a scan, it's telling me that it's like it's telling me that it's a transmission torch converter. If you guys can see. I went to O'Reilly's and they did a scan for me, and this is what came up as. Today's Monday. I am going to Bedard Brothers. That's where I got the car. So I called them and I'm like, I don't know what this is, but I hear the worst it could be, it's like $10,000 to fix the transmission. But then at that point, you might as well just, get a new car, because I've been talking about, I want to finish this car so I own it. I want to finish this car so I own it. I put 2,000 in it. I put 2,000 in it last week. And then 3 days after that, this happens. Like, I feel so sad, if I'm being honest. Like, I hope it's not that too serious. It's just like, I wasn't expecting this. We broke. Like, if I had money, I guess, but even if you still have money, that's still a problem. But if I had money, I wouldn't stress too much about it. But I'm like, damn, this shit is eating me. It's not looking too good, guys. It's not looking too good. Bruh. Can you see me? Oh, I took my hair out. But can you see, like, my face? I've been thinking about this because, like, I just don't want to spend that. I literally spent, if I'm being honest with y'all, I spent $6,000 last month on just everything in general. Just last month, I spent $6,000. And it's like, right now I'm broke. I'm at, like, my broke point right now. So, like, it's okay. It's okay. But then I had applied for some job somewhere, right? And I was supposed to get that job. But then I texted that guy asking about the job because I wanted to know, because I was interested. So I was like, just let me know any update or whatever. And then he's like, they found somebody better. So I was like, all right. It made me, I didn't really get that mad, because it's like, if somebody got a better resume than mine, then all right, cool. Whatever. I'm more happy than that than what I just found out. So I FaceTime him. He's like, well, this guy that works there told the manager that I slept with his wife. Oh! And I'm a womanizer. So that's why I didn't get the job. God knows what happened. Nothing, like, I don't even do that. You're gonna accuse me of fucking your wife? Alright. Like, so that's my life. Like, I literally just found out this morning. And I wanted that job so bad. So, like, it pissed me off. I wanted to even, like, go contact that person, bro. I wanted to go contact him. But it's alright. I'm gonna stay out of it. People just be be trying to test me, man. I don't know. People just. But that's how my day is going so far. It's not looking too good for me. I'm cooked. Like I hate having to drive this right now. Like, I hate having to drive this. Because I don't want it to break down or anything. Oh, and the drive is 20 minutes. So this is a straight brake. Like, damn. I'm so tight. I'll see y'all over there. Ooh. Damn. I hope it's nothing too bad. I'd be sick if it was. I would be so sick if it was something bad. I was eating a sandwich from my bad, guys. Give me a second. Goodness gracious. I need to get this fixed.
It's check engine light, right?
Yeah.
Does it seem to be driving funny at all?
A little bit, but like, I can't know this. I don't know if I'm thinking it because I see the lights.
Okay, just kind of like a placebo.
Yeah.
Just need a signature from you. And do you have the key or is it in the car?
It's in the car.
Perfect.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Thank you.
Oh, this office looks so nice now.
Oh, yeah.
It's been new, yeah. This is a nice car. Wait, what car is this? Is it new? Like, ooh. This is hard. That's so fire. This is so fire. Are these like new, like you're just making new? That's so fire.
They used to have them like in the 80s, 90s, and like early 2000s.
Oh, so it's not like new.
It's like the sixth generation, I want to say.
Damn, that's so
It's
fire.
been gone for like 20 years, so it's.
And then they're bringing it back.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. So cool. That's so cool. Wait, so this goes for how much is it? 42?
Mm-hmm.
That's actually not that bad.
Yeah,
Mm. So, like, that is so crazy. Elevate the mood with every mile. Bro, they make it so luxurious. Complete. Nah, imagine just driving this with your girl like this. That's hard. Damn. This looks so crazy. Just look at this real quick. With the lights right here, the blue just makes it so crazy. Just in case one of y'all want to buy one. That's crazy. I know people are like, who is this black guy just in the middle of here just keep recording, but... Oh, hi. Again.
You know, I thought I heard your voice. Are you trying to get in the car?
Huh?
Are you trying to get in the car?
No. I hope not.
20 minutes later.
I don't even know it. I just went to pay this car. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to do. to come in the bathroom to cry, but I gotta go back out there. So I'll talk to you guys after.
I can't mess up. I don't know what to do. Thank. Life
Yeah. Okay. You can see yourself driving this?
That's a good thing.
It's so small, right? But it's so comfy. It looks so comfy.
Small cars there. I don't know.
I love the seats for some reason.
Yeah.
Alright. This is so nice. I can see myself driving this. I like the seat. The seat is really, it's really so nice.
One day I'll be able to give one of these to each one of you.
Why? I'm the one that's supposed to buy it for you.
Yeah,
I'm the one that's supposed to buy it for you, not the other way.
Mike also likes it, so I'll just come and sign both of you.
Now one day I'll buy you a nice cheetah.
Did your brother get the? Did your brother get?
Oh yeah, Jaguar.
Did your brother get the? That's got a plate on it. If you guys want to take it for a spin.
All right,
All right.
let's go for a spin.
And
Your new car and the coupe in your top.
Huh? The new car that I'm gonna get. Yeah, you're gonna hit that.
Yeah, you want to drive?
Yes. We're going on a drive, so I'm with my dad, so I'll talk to y'all in a sec. All right, so we had went test driving it. I had already driven it before, but this is what it's gonna be. 2023 Accord. This is what it is right here. That's what it is. It's gonna end up coming to 31. That's so expensive. I go from being close to paying my car off to having to pay all this. So this is what it would be. Interior. I do love the seats. Touch screen. We got warm seats. We got one thing I've always wanted, a sunroof. And nice seats here.
I'll be back. I gotta go do something.
Alright. So what up to the vlog? Well, Mark is on the phone because he's gonna co-sign for me. He's gonna help me co-sign. My dad was trying to convince me to buy that car inside. It was very good. Yeah. My dad is trying to convince me to get this.
to get what?
This car.
He just wants to drive it.
Realistically, if I was to get it, what would monthly payments be?
They're going to be considerably higher.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It would be like $700 a month.
Probably more.
800?
I would think so.
This looks just so crazy.
Let me find out. Let me put a number on it. Give me a second. I can give you a quick quote.
With like a good payment.
Money down?
No, like with like good credit score and like some money down.
With how much money down?
I don't even know.
What's that?
Yeah, let's try with no money down. Let's see.
No money down?
If it's not too bad, low key. All right. See, now we just talking. We talking money now. We talking. See, it's just sitting right here, just looking at me. Said, "Buy me, buy me." That's a car just sitting there looking at me. Buy me. Should I buy it? Y'all think that's the car I should go for?